It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Yukon SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the park brake, traction control, park assist, auto stop start, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at our steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above we have OnStar. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We also have hitch guidance to the right. Electronic precision shifting down the side, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the rear climate control buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. Starting at the front of the Yukon, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch ultra-bright machined aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, roof rails up top, running boards down below, remote start. The door handles have keyless entry on them, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we do have on the key fob the power lift gate that opens just the glass portion, the upper portion of the lift gate. I'll open up the lift gate down here by pushing the button. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, the tethers to fold the third row seating down, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 8-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power locks, power windows, door storage, and door speakers. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has two cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, two USB-C plug-ins, and a power plug-in down near the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We're able to gain access to the third row by pulling the lever on the side of the seat. In the rear, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon SLE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.